So this is EndeavourOS, and this is the latest release, Mercury Neo with Linux 6.13.7. So this is the mirrorless. So I already downloaded the ISO file. I created bootable USB drive with Rufus, and I'm going to be installing this in a desktop computer. So this is the welcome menu, and there's install and general info. So I'm going to start the installer. There are two options, online and offline. An online method lets you choose your desktop. Of course, you must have an internet connection. The offline method gives you the KDE desktop and internet connection is not needed. I'm going to select online. So this is the Calamaris installer. I'll select next, location. I'm going to leave it as default, keyboard layout. So this is desktop. And these are a list of desktop options. I'll select each one, and this is a preview on the right side. I'll select GNOME. So these are packages that you can select or unselect. I'm going to leave everything as default. So here I have to choose the bootloader. So there's system boot, grub bootloader, and no bootloader. I'm going to select grub bootloader. This is the partition section. So the size of the hard drive is a terabyte. I'm going to select erase disk. I'll select swap to file. And for the file system, I'll choose BTRFS. I'll create an account. I'm going to leave this unchecked. Log in automatically without asking for password. I'm going to leave this box checked. Use the same password for the administrator account. Okay, this is a summary of the choices and selections. I'll click install. You want to click done. I'm going to reboot the machine. Okay, I'm going to log in. So on this welcome menu, there's general info. After install, here's assistant, here's tips and more apps. So I'm going to close this. So I'll click on the show apps grid, and these are the apps. So there's a screenshot app. I'll open Firefox. So I'll check what version is Firefox. So the version is 136.0.4. So I'll right click the desktop. I'll select settings. So this is settings. There's network, there's Bluetooth, displays, sound. This is the power settings, multitasking, coherence. So the style right now is dark. I'm going to leave it at dark. I'll click on apps. This is the default apps. Removable media. This is notifications. Search, and I can drag these either down or up. This is online accounts. This is well-being, and here you can adjust the screen time settings. This is break reminders, and you can adjust eyesight reminders here. This is mouse and touchpad settings. This is keyboard settings. This is color management. This is printers, accessibility. This is privacy and security. This is system. So this is a files manager. I'll create a new folder. So I'll right click the folder, and these are some of the options. I can compress it, and the compression method, there's zip, and there's these other options. I can also encrypt the folder with a password. I'll open the console app. So I'm going to run an update. I'm going to type this command, sudo pacman syu. So it's up to date. So I'm going to install VLC Media Player and htop. So I'll type this command, sudo pacman s htop and VLC. So VLC Media is installed and htop is installed. So I'll open the firewall app. So this is the Network Tools app, and these are some of the tools. So I'll check the kernel version. I'll type uname r. So the kernel version is 6.13.8. So on the top right side, there's the power icon, the speaker icon, and there's a capture icon. I'll click on the capture icon, and here I can take a screenshot. I can also select the entire screen. There's also an option to record the screen. I'll click on the camera icon, click on record, and the screen is being recorded. And I'll just click on stop. So to view the recorded video, I just have to click on showing files, and it's located in the videos folder, and the video file is here. So I'll play the video. So this was just a quick overview of the Linux EndeavourOS, and these are some of the specs here. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.